I'm used to getting a lot of vehicles to review. Some of them even arrive in trucks. But this one is something that fits in the back of my truck, and it's not for me to review, but it's something that my daughter is going to be reviewing in this video. So we're going to do the unboxing, check out what surprise is in here, and of course, let my daughter take it for a spin. So let's go. Hey Saibu,
Yeah?
are you ready to do your unboxing?
Yes.
Come. You're going to need scissors. I've got some scissors.
Yay. Thank you.
Well Saibu, Mahindra sent you something fun.
Ooh, I wonder what it is.
Well, it's all you. Why don't you unbox it? Let me know if you need any help, okay?
Yeah, I think I do need a little bit of help, but maybe I can manage.
Do you have any idea what it is?
No.
No? What does the box say?
It says Mahindra tractors.
So what do you think it is?
I think it's a tractor.
You think it's a tractor?
Yes.
Why would Mahindra send you a tractor?
I have no clue. Oh, I see something.
Here, I think it'll just rip open now. If you just lift it. Here, you might want to cut this.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Now the other side. Ah,
What is that?
it's a tractor.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look at
maybe.
that. I think we're gonna have to put it together. Do you think it's an electric tractor?
Maybe.
Oh wow,
Seems
that
so.
is very funky. Well, let's get it out of the box.
So we're pulling out some small bits like this.
What do you think this is? I think this is the backrest for the
Yeah.
seat. Okay.
It seems so.
And
This looks very interesting.
oh, I know what these are.
What?
I'll tell you when
Is it like for the bumper?
we'll fix it up with the tractor, and then you'll see what it is. It's very cool. Can you find the steering wheel?
It has to be in there somewhere.
Yeah, just check down here.
Yeah, I see something.
Get it.
Oh.
Sorry,
It's-
that's your exhaust.
It's the exhaust.
Anything else coming out of this box?
Maybe something in the back. No, there's nothing in the back.
Okay. Let me
think
get some
that's
help
all.
so we can get the tractor out, and then we can look for the rest of the parts.
They
Okay.
might be underneath the tractor.
You think
or
so?
on the tractor.
They might be underneath.
Yeah.
All right, let me get some help.
Yeah. Aha, there are some parts underneath. It's the steering wheel at last.
You found it.
And then,
It's got a remote,
yeah,
so you can use it like an RC tractor.
exactly.
Oh wow, you can drive it and you can use it as a remote. You want to get the instructions out too?
Yeah,
We
sure.
might need those.
This is the troubleshooting guide.
All right. It's got a Bluetooth MP3 player,
Oh,
a USB connection,
awesome.
and yeah, it can take a weight up to 50 kilos.
Whoa.
So you fit. Very cool. So let's start putting together your tractor.
Yeah.
What do you say?
First, let's open it.
First, let's get your box out of the way.
Should I cut it or should we rip it out with this hole?
I think we can open up the plastic. Let's not spoil the plastic.
We can use this hole, right?
No, no, no. Hang on.
Or like that. That hole was already there.
I think they just tied a knot over here. And we'll be able to
so then
slide
we can remove the plastic.
your tractor straight out. Here, come.
Underneath the wheels.
And
Lift it a little bit again.
look
And
at
it's
that.
out.
What is that? It's a Mahindra Nuvo.
Oh,
Yeah, so why don't you start unboxing all the pieces, Babu?
sure.
And just say which piece it is.
This is the exhaust.
Okay. And then we'll help you fix it on.
I think it must be easy. There has to be something that has to
I
join
think it's
it.
easy, but we'll follow instructions because that's important.
Otherwise, it might be built wrong.
Yeah. Okay, so first we're fixing the,
Exhaust.
it's the silencer exhaust here. You want to hold the instructions?
Yeah, sure.
What does it say over here?
It says
How do we fix it?
align the silencer base with the mounting slot on the body.
Okay, that's over here.
Ooh, yeah. But for that, we also need this. It shows this.
No, we'll do that later, Babu. That's the next step. Okay?
Fix the silencer by the help of the hand press.
Okay. By the help of the...
Attach the rear side support using the highlighted mounting points.
Look at that. It's done. Okay,
Okay, so
next.
we need to open this because it's part of the same thing.
No, this is different. These are the rear supports.
Exactly. It says that.
Yeah.
Attach the rear side support using the highlighted mounting points.
Okay, come. Okay, so we've got these bits now.
We have to put them here and here.
Okay.
Facing each
You want to try?
Sure. Do they have to be facing each other or facing the other way?
That's correct. No, it's not in. That's it. And the next one. I told you these are cool bits.
Yeah.
Because on a full-size tractor, this is where people can actually sit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Should we open the back?
Yeah,
Or
let's
should we
do the
open
back
the
next.
steering wheel?
I think we'll do the steering wheel last.
Okay.
Okay?
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
And that's done.
Look at that.
Awesome.
Your Mahindra logo.
I'll just go put this.
This is how we're going to get the backrest in, okay?
We got the screws out.
Okay. So first, this goes in over here.
Then we put the screws back in.
Then I need, it's a little complex because now we have the backrest in the way and I can't seem to,
Open it.
yeah,
One screw down, another to go.
that's it.
Then we need to attach the steering wheel.
Mm-hmm.
That's where things get a little bit more complicated because we're going to need the scissors again.
And that's the last bit.
Oh, and the sun's back out also.
Okay. Great.
Now for the seat, we push the seat back in place.
Now your seat's done.
Can I try sitting on it?
And now the last thing we need to do. You want to try and sit on it before we put the steering wheel in?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Are there any brakes?
It's a small little electric, that's the accelerator. And when you take your leg off of it,
It stops.
it's done.
Ah, so basically this is only one pedal.
Yeah, you look kind of like a farmer on it.
Now I just need a steering wheel.
Yes.
For that, I'll just take off the tape.
Okay, what do we have here? This is the remote.
Yes.
This is
We have the...
your cool steering wheel.
Yes. I
And
took off the tape to this thing.
this we need.
What
This
is
is your
that?
charging plug.
Ah, so we can't lose that either.
Final instructions. Get off the tractor. Give me the remote.
So I think we plug it in. Yeah. I see it.
Okay. So now,
To plug this with this.
yeah, that's one part of it. You want to get the book before we make a mistake?
Yeah. Okay. Aha, here it is. Connect the steering wires to the correct connectors on the vehicle's base, as
Okay.
shown in the picture.
And we need a big screwdriver.
Oh,
What do I
Papa,
do
you
with
need
this?
to unknot that first.
I need to open this up.
No, you don't need to. Wait, no, it doesn't say. Insert the steering wheel onto the steering shaft, as shown in the picture. But first, Papa, you need to attach these first. Let me unknot it.
Okay, we're going to have to open this up too. Okay?
Okay. That's unknotted. But why would we need to? Oh, it's a bolt and screw.
Mm-hmm. Oops.
But you've got to align it perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
Can I just check if I can see a clear hole?
Yeah, I can see. Can I
Okay.
put?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
1 second.
Through and through.
No, it's not. It is.
Getting through and through?
Yeah. Can you take this bolt that way?
I'll hold this bolt. Once it pops out on the other side,
Yeah, let me
we'll use the screwdriver to put the bolt in. Think it's almost done.
No, I need a better screwdriver. This is slipping. Get me the other one. Get me the other one.
The red one? Okay. That one works. Aha. The remote.
Okay. Put it down.
Yes. We've got it mostly done. Now I'm going to try sitting at it again.
Well, it's all done.
Thank you.
We finally got your steering wheel on.
Yes, that was the one that took a lot of time.
Now you want to figure out how to turn it on?
Yeah, sure. Time to get the seat. Whoa.
Okay. I see a big red button.
Okay, so this is the final result. Hope you enjoyed watching us assemble this.